In this tutorial, I'll show you how to make your text wiggle using After Effects. Let's get started. Alright, so to start off, let's expand this arrow over here, and then let's click on Animate, and then Position. After that, click on Add, Selector, then Wiggly. Expand the Wiggly Selector 1. Change the position to 3 and 5 respectively. This setting basically controls how spread the movement of the letters is. If you want to make the wiggle go faster, increase the value of the setting right here. The higher the value, the quicker the movement is gonna be, and this is how the effect looks so far. But if you want this effect to look more like it was animated by hand, almost like it was animated frame by frame I mean, go to the effects panel and search for the posterized time effect and apply it to your text. And in the effect controls panel, make the frame rate 15 or lower if you want, it's up to you. And if you want to make multiple captions out of this effect, you can do so easily by duplicating your text layer. So select it and hit Ctrl D on the keyboard, move the text layer forward on the timeline, cut the first layer at this exact point using Ctrl Shift D, then delete the leftover part. And now you can write in other words and captions using the second layer. So yeah, please like and subscribe if you found this video helpful, and feel free to watch this next tutorial.